Whoa, 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 what's that?
Listen guys, most of you watching this video are not prepared mentally for what is about to happen to XRP, to crypto here in the next days, in the next weeks. I want to show you
Like, I feel like for XRP, there's always something happening.
some key metrics, some key signals that are right now flashing, guys, that shouldn't be ignored. And no one is talking about the stuff that I will show you in this video. I urge all of you to watch it until the end. I know it's a Sunday, but this is key information. First, of course, like the video. Can we get this one back above 1,000 likes? I would, of course, highly appreciate that. Let's get into it. Okay, so as you can see, XRP looks really bullish. This is a 2-week time frame.
So again, yeah, the whales not selling at 270 cents is insane right now. That just tells me that the XRP has a ton of potential.
We have this confirmed breakout, as you can see. And if we compare this with the breakout from 2024, then you can see that we are currently roughly at the same spot, which I marked out with this circle over here, just to give you an indication of how much upside there is still possible here for XRP in the coming days, in the coming weeks. Now, the opportunity is, of course, not just in XRP, because HBAR also recently broke out from this falling wedge.
I mean, I think there's going to be many cryptocurrencies that follow. Definitely. Guys, smash that like button if you haven't already. We have like 2 likes on this video or this live stream. If we can reach like 5 likes, more people will join in so I can make more XRP content. I really appreciate you all for joining in, because today everything's wrong about XRP price. Like, if the whales don't sell $2.7, I'm actually surprised they might not sell at $5.
And is right now absolutely going parabolic. So this is also a very bullish development. And you can also call this a bull flag. And if we project the price target, then we do know from a probability standpoint that there is a pretty high chance that HBAR could set a new all-time high very, very soon. So I just wanted to make...
Yeah, HBAR, yes. But XRP, look, you got these institutions coming in. There is a very high chance crypto could explode in the next few days. And XRP is going to be probably, in my opinion, the one picked by retail.
To what we have seen in June. So for now, I think the trend looks fairly strong and healthy, and I don't see any reason of why XRP couldn't go higher from this point onward. Also, if we take a look at what the whales are currently doing, so these are the highest XRP long positions currently open on the futures market. This is from Hyperliquid. Then we do note that there are some whales currently in massive profits here. The top side, $2.3 million, $2.2 million, $1.1 million in unrealized profits here. So these positions are still open with leverage, 20x leverage here. So are these from insiders? Most likely they are.
Funding fee, 252K. Unrealized profit and loss. Man, this guy made $5 million. What's his position? 4 million XRP and longing. Like, I guess they make, it's free money from them. That's what someone told me. Like, if you have... Yeah, there's insiders and nobody's sharing that. And there's obviously a lot of this manipulation in the market for XRP and crypto. But like, these whales definitely know. If you have $25 million, of course, you're going to be making $5 million extra. Guys, you think you have $25 million by buying meme coins? You can make $1 or $2 million. But this tells me there's, you know, even if he goes 20x leverage, which means he borrowed 20x, it means to me that he has borrowed this money to actually make more money. So he was so sure that he made a 20x, even if it falls a bit, that he was so sure that it's going to explode right now, that whales are going to pump in. So it's free money, free $5 million. Congrats, $5 million into your bank. $5 million can buy you a lot of things. $1 million cannot. It can buy you like apartments, one apartment probably. But $5 million, now that's some juicy money.
Now, and that means that there's probably still expecting more upside.
Again, yeah, I think that's a pretty bullish sentiment if they come over and actually make it big
for XRP in the short term. Also, guys, if we take a look at XRP's weekly scale here with the MACD indicator on the bottom side of the screen, then you can see that we are getting extremely close here to golden or bullish crossover on the MACD. And the last time that this happened on the...
Okay, so the last time this happened, the crypto basically exploded, right? The thing I'm wondering is, are whales looking at these charts? I think whales who make money in XRP, they actually hold, they look at different charts that we don't even have available. So what we are seeing, the news that the general media has available and the news that the XRP whales, so the big players, like you can see this guy with 25 million, is very much different. So what we get, the whales already know. Like when small retail buyers buy it, it's just maybe a very small percentage of that. So you need to realize that most of the news that we are seeing is already available a few days before or a few hours before to these big players who hold 30 million of XRP. That's why we're seeing these buys before even the actual pump.
Or Algorand or Q&T content here on the channel, let me know in the comments. Of course, I'm willing to make these videos as well, because for now I'm only covering these cryptos on Twitter, on X, but if you want to see them on YouTube as well, let me know in the comments. The last chart that I want to show you is actually this one. XRP's history is repeating. If you look at the bull run from 2017, we had an initial pump to the upside.
I feel like the bull run from 2017 was much easier to pump because you had a lot less competition. So for now to XRP to pump like that, I wouldn't like. XRP has been 8 years ago from 2017. That's what I'm trying to say. Like, this is the issue. Right now, crypto has not been the same as 2017. So I wouldn't compare it to that.